next video. In this I am going to show how to use the SMS Manager. Here I am along with SMS Manager I am using Spinner. Now Spinner is the one which is similar to drop down list. We can able to select the one from the given list. Now let's get started. And this in a main activity what I have is this. Now it's a Spinner. Spinner we can able to select from this palette. We have got Spinner from here and we can select it and we can drag and drop out here is drag and drop here is Spinner. Next I have one button. This is a Spinner and this is a button. Now for this Spinner I have given it something like this, like the text is like for a Spinner, text alignment center, the background color is given, the margin left, right, means all the styling things we can add on. And next here is a button. Now for button I have given a text sent, text color given, background is given, text all caps, false given, on click method is given for the button. Like this I have added, which is similar to the previous tutorial. Here also the on click method is given. Like when I click on this button, this particular method will be called automatically. Now let's see the Java part, like this part. Here what we have is this. Here like I have created the object of Spinner, which is SP. Then after that for a Spinner I need a list, because Spinner is nothing but a drop down list and it requires the list so that we can able to add the elements into it. So list of the array list I have created here, list L1 is equal to new array list. And next SP is Spinner find new by id id.spinner. Now next I have to add the element inside the Spinner, inside the list. So L1 dot add Mumbai, Delhi. Next I need array adapter. Array adapter is similar to the iterator which iterate through all the list of the string. So array adapter string A1 is equal to new array adapter. It requires two parameters, two arguments, that is this is the layout of this. Then its layout is nothing but this simple Spinner drop down item, and third is the object of list, that is L. So now next here I have to set the drop down view resource on this on my array adapter. So A1 dot set drop down view resource. Layout is simple Spinner drop down item. Next I have to set the adapter of the Spinner, that is SP dot set adapter A1, which will set the adapter on the Spinner SP, which is A1. A1 is nothing but the adapter. Now next is this. When I click on the button, what will happen? Here, since I want to send the message will be sent or not sent. It depends on the situation. So for this I need to written all this code inside a try and catch block. So try I have written here string IT, since I want to get the element which I have selected. So SP dot get selected item is the method we can use to select the particular item from the Spinner, which is the item we have selected. For this I have used this method SP dot get selected item dot toString. Next, now whether that selected item can be Mumbai or can be Delhi. If it is Mumbai, then what will be happening? So for when it is Mumbai, at that time, since I want to send the message, so I am here using inbuilt class, which is SMS Manager. So just create the object of SMS Manager SMS Manager get default will get all the default parameters of the SMS Manager. Now its one method is for sending text message is this, like sm dot send text message. In this, first to whom I want to send a message, which is the destination contact number. So this is written here. Second argument is null, which is the sender's contact number. Third is the what message I want to send. Here I want to send hey I am from Mumbai, if it is Mumbai. And last two parameters are null. And if it is sent, then make a toast that SMS is sent. Toast also has got three parameters. Now next, if it is Delhi, then what will happen? So in that case I am just sending here hey I am from Delhi, everything is same. So send text SMS has got five parameters. First is the destination contact number, second is the sender, third is the message, and fourth and fifth, this is the pending intent. These two are pending intent which we are not going to use, like which will give the information about the delivery of the message. So if the message is not sent, in that case that exception will be caught, and this is SMS fail, which is similar. Here we are making a toast. So like this we can able to send the SMS. Now for this we need to make a permission of the SMS sent in a manifest, which is very important. So for here Here I have written users permission Android name is android.permission.send SMS. So which will grant us a permission, our application permission to send a message. Thank you if you like our application. If you like, do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Bye.